Today we're working on special right triangles, and specifically 60, 30, 90 degree triangles and 45, 45, 90 degree triangles. The first one is a 60, 30, 90 degree triangle, and across from the 60 degrees is our longer side, okay? That's the long side. And across from the 30 degrees is our short side. And across from, or we could say shining the light from, or emanating from this right triangle, the 90 degrees, would be our hypotenuse. Now in this question, they're asking for x, and in this case that's the short side. We don't necessarily have to use any information at all from the hypotenuse to find x, because we have a ratio in this case of, in all of cases we have ratios. This 2x, x, root 3x refers to the fact that the hypotenuse is always twice the short side, and the long side is root 3 times the short side. So we can set up ratios to find x in this case. We know that x, if we go short side over long side, x over 6 root 3, short side over long side is equal to, as we know, short side over long side is always x over root 3x, or in other words, 1 over root 3. All right, that's another way of putting this, 2, 1, root 3. Because if x equals 1, we can write that as a ratio. So this now, we can use our cross multiplication knowledge. This is x root 3 equals 6 root 3. X root 3 equals 6 root 3. We're solving for x. We divide by root 3. We get 6 as our answer. X equals 6 as our answer. Okay? So our first question is done, and we did it by solving a ratio where we use this relationship between the short side and the long side.